Hey everybody, this is Stacey with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. In this series of videos, I'm going to give some basic information about our workshop and how I help my clients in what is called reciprocity, how they can use their license that they have in good standing in one state and extend that to another state. Series of paperwork, of course, fees are involved. But if that's something you're interested in, look out for your state. I'm going to do a series of these for California, Nevada, and all of the southern states to see what you need because those are pretty much the easiest uh, to, if you already have, especially in California. It's easy for you to get all the other ones. So, if this is something you are interested in, take a listen all the way through and reach out to me at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com. You can also visit our website at sfjohnsonconsulting.com. All the fees for us to help you with the full licensing, it's on our website. All right, so now let's talk about Nevada and what you need or what states, if you already have your license there, what states and what you need. Okay, so we of course will go through the Nevada State Contractors Board, so the NSCB, and I have a client here in California, took us less than a month, even though he had a lot of problems, probably more than a month of problems. But once he hired me, within a month, they are ready to roll, and everything went through great, because it is quite a process if you don't know. And even if you do know, a lot of contractors are self performers and they just don't have time. All right, so the reciprocal states for uh, Nevada. So meaning if you hold your license in these states, you can apply for reciprocity. So if you already hold a license in California, Arizona, and Louisiana, there's a process we have to go through. Okay, it's licensure by endorsement. So that is the pathway. That's what they call it. And it was introduced in 2022. Okay. The requirements are 4 years of your license being active. Okay. And in the endorsing state, and California does qualify as an endorsing state. So my California GC endorsed the Nevada company. So that just means, hey, I'm in good standing and I vouch that I'm going to do this work in this other state. Okay, what you must also do is pass the Nevada Business and Law exam. And I always, say that and explain it in this way. Every state, right? States' rights. Every state has its own set of laws for everything that it does within that state. Federal law supersedes it, but business is governed by state law. Okay, so you have to understand the state laws for business and law. So, yes, you must pass the Nevada Business and Law exam. Good thing about that exam, you're able to use the book. And if I help you, we have tons of teaching and study material for you to use. Another provision is that you must match the classification equally. Okay, so a B license for a B license, a C10 for a C2E, and etc. So you must match classification equivalency. Okay, can't go up on it. So you must not have any disciplinary actions or any lapses in your work. Okay, 4 years active license. And as far as the fees are concerned, there's a $300 application fee, $600 license fee, and then yes, you will have to get bonds and financial statements. Okay, so when you join me in the workshop, we go step by step and I walk you through all of the forms. I give you the checklist for your reciprocity so you'll know exactly what you need to provide and how to do it. And I also give you an application demo, okay? Timelines and worksheets so you'll know how long, again, everything is going to take. Okay, so again, if you are currently licensed in California, Arizona, or Louisiana, Reciprocity is the road for you to get your license in Nevada. This is Stacey. Reach out if you have any questions, concerns. Make sure to like, join, subscribe. And if there are any particular topics you want a little more information on, please reach out at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com.